Here's a shot of the 2003 CR250 with the 1998 CR250 Honda PowerPort motor. Bike is basically all finished. There's a couple small little things left to be buttoned up, but for the most part, she's all finished up. I took it out riding for a test day a couple weeks ago. Just got a new set of the KKE wheels and anodized hubs. Front and rear hubs, spokes, rims, for about 400 bucks for the front and the rear combined. Anyways, that's a finished shot for Cameron Niemella's bike build off. And yeah, the bike is a blast to ride. A lot of power, motor feels really balanced, and the suspension really plush. I got the Clark 3.2 gallon tank on there. Anyways, that's it.